we are here with someone very special. We are here with Anica Midthun. She is one of our newest attorneys here at Brighter Day Law.
Well, congratulations for getting both my first and last name right. That was a big win for you.
You know, we had to practice. You said even family members say it differently. So I was like, okay, no pressure. I got to get this right.
That's why I had to spell it out for you in my bio. I had to make sure you didn't get it wrong, and I am very proud of you.
Thank you. Well, knowing you helps. So there is that. Well, we are thrilled to have you as our highlight here for staff. So as I mentioned, you're one of our newest attorneys that we brought on to Brighter Day Law. So tell me a little bit about how you're here with your fiance, Ari, and you both live in Castle Rock. So just a little bit of a ways away from Colorado Springs. But what exactly brought you both here, and what brought you to Brighter Day?
Well, I'll start with what brought me to Brighter Day, because it's actually a bit of a funny story. When I was studying for the bar, studying for the bar can be a lot. It's a lot of time.
Yes.
I was studying 7 days a week, 10 hours a day,
It's
and nothing at all. Just easy, Most people do that. And so I'm sitting there studying every day, and at the end of the day, I'd be like, okay, now I have to apply for jobs. And it's a lot. I'd be crying every night. It was just so stressful. And eventually, Ari was like, let me take over. Let me look for jobs for you. And, all well and good. He found some ringers. And he found some really interesting jobs. I think one job he found was some sort of counsel for a mom and pop grocery store, but he found...
Didn't go for that one?
Not actually. I could have, but I'm not sure how much I would be interested in grocery law.
That is very fair. Family law is a little bit more interesting.
Family law is a bit more interesting. And so he found the Brighter Day Law, the job posting, and he was like, this looks great. And I remember that night he did all the typing for me, and I walked around and cooked dinner, and we typed out this big application, but ultimately he kind of was the one who found the job for me, and it ended up working out perfectly. So
yeah, you've been in such an incredible position. I'm allowed to brag on you because we work together. You're a coworker.
Thank you.
Yeah, you just bring such a light to the office and joy every team morning. So
thank you.
Couldn't imagine it without you. Also because we started at similar times as well. So we were in this together.
Yes, we were just talking about how we started in September.
Yes.
So it's been...
Time flies when you're having fun is what I like to say. It has been a good time. Lots of learning.
Tons of learning.
Oh my goodness. Well, kind of on that note, so we mentioned Ari, you're not your better half because you're his better half, will be, but your fiance, and how the two of you met. And I hear it is quite the story. Do you want to share that story with us?
Yes, though I would like to clarify that he's by far my better half. By far.
I don't know. We love you, so up for a dispute there.
But we met through an app called Coffee Meets Bagel.
Oh,
so if Coffee Meets Bagel is listening, please sponsor our wedding. But, we had both tried a bunch of different dating apps, and this one was really great.
It's hard out there in the streets.
Oh, it's very difficult.
I would know. Colorado Springs, what's up? Single,
what's a girl
ready to mingle.
supposed to do?
Right. So, yeah, you give us hope. Sorry. Interrupting.
But, so we ended up meeting halfway in between at this really, really sketchy dive bar in Aurora. And, when I got the address...
Sounds like love.
Oh, totally love. I sat in my car for like 10 minutes, and I was like, do I want to go in? Should I call the police? Is this...
Am I being set up for something?
Is this where I want to be? And so I told my roommate, I'm at this really strange bar. I don't know if I'm going to like this guy. One drink, 2 tops. I'm not going to be here for very long.
I'll be home by dinner.
Exactly. I will be eating dinner in bed before you know it. And so we're sitting at the bar, and, the conversation's going well. And I have a friend who texts me, and she's like, I am on the worst date of my life. Will you please come and help me out?
Save us.
And so we ended up going, and Ari and I's date lasted till 3 a.m. We played shuffleboard and pool, and we had a great time. And now we're engaged, and the other couple has not spoken again.
So Coffee Meets Bagel it is. That was the key.